Well, Kinger, it's a little cold outside. About 17 degrees this morning air temp. We're on the Mississippi River, Pool 3, and I have a secret weapon with me. His name's Brett King, Strike King Pro. And one of the things that we really wanted to go out and do, late fall time frame, and over the past couple of years, I've actually come out and we've messed around and just had some fun three-weighing with plastic. Something that a lot of people probably don't even think about doing.
Right.
Catches a lot of fish, and they're fun when they hit.
It does. It's kind of a glorified Dubuque rig type presentation, but we're coming off our first major cold front. Like, we're day 2 into the cold front. You can't get much tougher conditions than that. Looks like we've dropped about 9 degrees water temp since the last time I was out. This should be interesting, should be a good testament to what you can do with plastics in tough conditions.
Well, I mean, everything sounds pretty good if you ask me. So let's go out there and show them the next bite.